What's up, everyone? This is Nick with HJ Cards, opening up 2 boxes of 2021-22 Select Basketball. As you can see, Cade Cunningham, the man we want to pull. We want to put low-numbered stuff, autographs, everything. But we shall see what happens. You can find me at HJ_cards on eBay, Instagram, Facebook, and Twitter. I'll be posting more frequently than I have in the past. So here we go. Let's see, 12 packs per box, 5 cards per pack. You're not guaranteed 3 autographs. Your statistics are 3 autographs or memorabilia cards. I think you get more memorabilia cards than autographs, so we'll find out what happens. See how our average plays out. All right, here we go. All right. Let's see if the centering issues have been fixed. Well, we want a redemption. That's the first pack. I know that some of the Cade autographs are redemptions, so that could be good, that could be bad. We shall find out soon enough. All right, we got Christian Wood base, Alperen Sengun rookie, Davion Mitchell, Moses Moody, and that's upside down. Signatures, number 6. Luka Doncic. Wow. I haven't pulled a Luka since his rookie year. Very nice. Luka Doncic signatures. I don't know if it's numbered or not. Doesn't matter. It's a Luka auto. Lulu. I'll take that Lulu autograph any day. Should I stop? I mean, come on. What are you going to do? I mean, what else am I looking for other than Cade Cunningham? Dented corner. All right. Well, 1 pack. Potential case hit. Maybe. I'm not sure. All right. Scotty Barnes, rookie. Carmelo Julius. We got a scope. Cameron Thomas. And a Jalen Johnson. Premier level scope. Miles Bridges, Brandon Ingram, Jaren Jackson Jr., and we got a spacer. Okay. Because we got a silver Moses Moody behind the spacer. And Evan Fournier. That is also a premier level. Moses Moody. Evan Fournier. Courtside? Yep, courtside. All right. Trey Murphy, rookie. Patrick Williams, base. Another Moses Moody, rookie. Another spacer. We got a Gordon Hayward courtside. And just a Bradley Beal off-centered silver. Centering seems to be an issue again. I'll tell you, regular maintenance on your printing presses and machines, you wouldn't have this issue. But who am I? I'm just a person that keeps buying product and breaking it. All right, let's see what we got next. Oh, this is actually something. How shall we do this? We'll use spacers. How about that? Kawhi Leonard, Tatum, base. On the back, we've got Devin Booker, base. We have another scope, rookie, Davion Mitchell. And a Josh Jackson patch. All right. We got Franz Wagner, Nehemiah Queta, Anthony Simons. We got a white Bones Highland rookie. Number to 149. Tim Herter. He's number 3. So close, but yet so far. LeBron James. Base. Josh Giddey, rookie. Tobias Harris. Looks like a red, white, and blue hiding behind that. What's in the back? Cade Cunningham, premier level. Centering looks good. You got some white crap here and there. Maybe that'll clean up nicely. But there's Cade. And Anthony Edwards, red, white, and blue. All right. We should have one more hit in this box. Zaire Williams, rookie. Robert Williams III, base. Lugan Dortz. Jalen Green, red, white, and blue. Nice. John Collins, base. Let's see this other hit. Ja, silver. Usman Garuba, rookie. Kevin Love. Seth Curry. And I guess this is our third hit. It's just a draft picks jersey of Santi Aldama for the Grizz. Not numbered. All right, let's see if we have any nice color in the last 3 packs. Chris Duarte, Kai Jones, Paul Pierce, 75th anniversary. We got red. Nikola Vukovic. Number to 199. How about some rookie color? Domantas Sabonis, Kelly Oubre, Jericho Sims, silver Marcus Smart, and a Yusuf Nurkic. And the last pack of the first box. All right, we got Herbert Jones, Damian Lillard, Pascal Siakam, 75 years. Jarrett Allen, I thought that was numbered over there for a second. Color, tricolor, not numbered, and a Fred VanVleet. All right, that was box number 1. On to box number 2. I don't know, can we beat that Luka? Can we beat that Luka? Jeez, always in the running for MVP. He just needs to win MVP in a championship. All right, here we go. Second box. Kevin Durant. Are all the autographs in the first pack? Jeez. Oh, I see a zebra. I see a zebra. Maybe that's not an autograph. Kevin Durant, base. Joe Harris. Victor Oladipo. Quentin Grimes. And our zebra. Ah, boo. The one you don't really want. Santi Aldama, zebra. Card number 101, premier level. Well, I would prefer to Ja over a Santi. Look at that curve. It's clean, but it's still got a curve. I don't like it. All right, Quentin Grimes again. Corey Kispert, Jordan Clarkson, Spacer. Delano Banton, wrong Raptor. Scotty Barnes would have been nicer. Kevin Porter Jr., field level. We dropped you. We're back. There we go. Sorry about that. James Bouknight, Steph Curry. And our autograph is Ayo Dosunmu. Silver. Number 180 of 249. They actually numbered them, I guess, huh? Horrible autograph. These rookies, man, they can't sign for nothing. Michael Porter Jr. Phenomenons. Chris Duarte. Jayshawn Tate. Derrick Rose. Ennis Freedom. Well, I'm glad you got Cantor out of the way. And we got a blue die cut. Donovan Mitchell. 37 of 249. No longer plays for the Utah Jazz. Luka. Premier level. Montrezl Harrell. Zach LaVine. Day'Ron Sharp. Spacer. Josh Christopher. Silver. Tyler Harrow, field level, or courtside, excuse me. Cade Cunningham, 1 per box. The regular base. Rondo, Delano Barton, Luka, tricolor. Bones Highland. We got light blue, Al Horford, Lauri Markkanen, Josh Christopher rookie, TJ Warren, and I think that's light blue, Robert Williams III, numbered 50 of 299. So nothing special. Again, you can find all this stuff on eBay. HJ_cards. Got the Ant-Man, Jalen Green, Isaiah Todd, Rajon Rondo, silver, Trae Young, Santi Aldama, the guy that haunts me, Luka Garza, Bones Highland again, Bojan Bogdanovic, and tricolor, and Jaylen Brown. Joe Weiskamp, Ja. Oscar Robertson, 75 years. Joe Harris, Scope. Moses Brown. I should have one more hit, I think. I don't think I pulled all the hits. Looks like this may be it. Cade Cunningham, silver, out the back. His base, silver. I'd say that's slightly off-centered. Just a little bit. Franz Wagner, rookie. Trey Mann, rookie. And our hit is Zaire Williams. And our last pack. Davion Mitchell. Kyrie, never play in the NBA again. Ben Simmons. Quentin Grimes. And Duncan Robinson. There you have it, ladies and gentlemen. 2 best hits of the box. Obviously, the autographs. Luka. Ayo Dunsumi. Redemption Luka, which I'll take. I haven't had a Luka autograph since his rookie year. And there you go. Again, you can find these on eBay. HJ_cards. Until next time. See ya.